Yes, the Stealth is now an SUV, and it brings Dodge's big one into the modern era. The new Dodge Stealth isn't a resurrection of a sports car from the 1990s but rather the successor to the Durango in the three-row midsize SUV slot. The demise of the current Durango was telegraphed when its counterpart, the Jeep Grand Cherokee, moved to the new WL platform while the Durango was left to languish on the older WK2. The Stealth will get an all-new, modern look to go with its new, old, name. SUVs are still the vehicle of choice for most buyers and Dodge was down to just one with the demise of the mediocre Journey. The aging Durango, which was introduced for the 2011 model year. Its replacement comes as Dodge actively ups its SUV game, including adding the sporty new Hornet compact SUV. The Durango name may yet live on, as it could be reinvented as a larger body-on-frame SUV that shares the Jeep Wagoneer platform. That leaves room below for the Stealth. It also shows the brand is more than muscle cars, even as the Stealth badge brings to mind the prior Mitsubishi-built coupe. The Stealth will likely join the Grand Cherokee L on the new WL platform, or it could glom onto the new STLA large platform, which was designed for electric vehicles but can still accommodate hybrids. Either way, expect some degree of electrification. The new Hurricane 3.0-liter twin-turbo i6 will make up for the loss of an available Hemi V8 and bring things full circle. The original Stealth RT packed a 3.0-liter twin-turbo 6-cylinder. Estimated price, $40,000.